for this product. Only we have to just go through it, we have to understand it, we have to understand the application, and then we have to share these information with our partners or our end users or the third party. So definitely we'll get more opportunities, more business. So today is the chance for us to understand it in a detailed manner. Although the PPT is already shared with all the branches, but if you don't collect it from our sales team, from the branch, I would request to the branch that please share these PPTs to your all concerned partners. We also shared one video for that, and most of the question answer we have included in the PPT. So I think we would clear most of the doubts in between the training. And also I would request, if you have any doubts, any query, please put it in this question answer session post of the session, post of the training. And also if you need any detailed information, or if you want to know about the price or availability of the product, please contact to the branch, please contact to salesperson and pre-salesperson. They would help you. If any question which is not related here, or you think that you can't ask here, you want one-to-one answer, you can contact us through mobile phone, through mail ID. Whenever you put your query for PPT or any concern, please place your email ID with your phone number and contact details or your location, so that it would be easy to connect with the concerned sales team. So I think we will take 5-10 minutes to start it. Only 5 minutes more will take here, because
New product series. Previously, you have understand. I think most of you have attended training of thermal solution range. So recently, we come up with a new range, CP Plus T Sense. It's a temperature screening solution. The new solution, which is very cost effective, and it's a standalone solution which can be easily placed anywhere. So today we are going to tell you about this product and how it is beneficial, what are the advantages, what all applications are suitable for these products. We will talk all these about. So let's start. So this new CP Plus T-Sense series, basically it's a temperature screening solution. In this solution, we have two kind of products. The first one is temperature screening solution with face recognition and access control. So I think you can see this first one. This is a complete standalone unit in which we have a bracket with the face recognition terminal. It's a tablet kind of device, and there is a wrist measurement sensor. So these all together makes a standalone solution in which we get like face recognition, we get abnormal temperature detection and alert. We will get a notification for that, and it will also do a mask detection. If anybody has wear the mask or not, that also can be detected with this solution. So this is one of the solution. The another solution is temperature screening solution with face capture. So here we have two solutions. One is with the face recognition. This one is with the face recognition, and this one is a face capture solution. In this face capture solution, so this camera will capture the face, and on the face we will overlay the information of the temperature as well of the person. So it will give a abnormal temperature alert notification, and we can do smart search as well. Like if later on we want to search how many people was with abnormal temperature, and we want to identify the face of those persons, so we can do that. And further, there is an advertisement also. Later on, we will understand what this advertisement means and how it will be useful. That we will understand. So let's move to another slides. So now, what will be the process of temperature measurement? How the steps will go on? The first step, the person will come in front of this device. This is the device. This either it can be a face recognition terminal can be a device, or the face capture temperature screening system can be a device. Any of this will be placed at the entry point from where the people are passing. So when the people will stand at a specific location, and they will place a wrist in front of the measurement sensor, wrist measurement sensor. So that sensor will detect the temperature of the person wrist, and it will give that information to the device, and further device will overlay that information. And if the temperature is abnormal, so there will be a voice notification or any other kind of notification can be given, like no email notification, or you want a buzzer with it, so that also can be done. And the third step, once you identify that the person has an abnormal temperature, so we can ask, we can further send him for the identification checkups, and for isolation and discovery of the actual problem, and the treatment can be given as per the uh, problem. So this is how the system is will work in a different process manner. And if we talk about the complete solution, so it's a no, there is no direct contact with the target. So that means the device which we are giving, in that there is no physical connection, physical connection between the person and the device. So there will be a gap between the person wrist and the measurement sensor. That will be the maximum gap, can be the measuring distance will be 3 centimeter. So from the measurement sensor, the distance will be 3 centimeter maximum, and the result will be very accurate. The temperature result will be very accurate. It is 0.1 degrees Celsius. That is the accuracy, which is quite high, 0.1 degrees Celsius. 20 to 30 people temperature can be detected per minute. In 1 minute, we can measure the temperature of 20 to 30 people. And the size is very small, not so small, but it's a small and quite compact. And for any kind of abnormal temperature, we will get an voice alarm and notification and alert as well. So let's understand the architecture, how this system will work, and means what will be the architecture of these both solutions. So let's start from the first one, the face recognition, this one. So as I was telling you, the system can work as a standalone system. So you can just place this only, no need this part. If you only want to give one device at the society gate or any place where the customer has not big setup, he just want a device to measure the temperature with the face information. So there you can give this standalone device, and this standalone device is doesn't is not required any other backend device to support. But and in this standalone device, you have to upload the face database on this face terminal, face recognition terminal. So 10,000 faces you can upload on this face recognition terminal, and whenever any person will come, it will identify the person from the database if it will be available on the database. So uh, it will give you a notification with the complete information of that person. And this system can be connected to the lock, EL lock. So like you can use this device as access control as well. Now understand this, huh? You have placed this device at the entry point. The tablet, that terminal is there, which is capturing the face and recognizing the face. And we have uploaded the database of all the faces on the terminal. And there is a measurement sensor. See, this is the measurement sensor. This small one is a measurement sensor. So whenever any person will place a wrist in front of this measurement sensor, it will pass the temperature information to the face recognition terminal, this machine. Now this machine is already capturing the face. It is recognizing the face. So together with the face, it will overlay the information of the temperature. And if the face get matched from the database and the temperature is normal, so the door will open automatically and he will be easily access to the premises. Now if any person get detected, identified and recognized, but the temperature is abnormal, at the same time there will be a voice notification and it will not be allowed to enter the premises. That can be done. And this face recognition terminal can be used for the time and attendance as well, because you have seen whenever we go to the office, in our office the time and attendance machine is there. at the entry point, and in most of the offices it is like that only. So whenever the person goes into the office, so he just put the finger on the biometric machine and he punched the attendance office. No, the same way at the exit time also he punched the attendance. So the same thing can be done without contacting with the machine. So this terminal we will give, it will recognize the person, it will mark the attendance, it will allow the person, authenticate the person, it will give the temperature measurement. So many features we are getting in a single device. Many features in a single device. Now, this is for a single device I was talking about. Now, let's understand if there is a big company who has, in which there are around 8 to 10 gates. Now, employee can enter from any gate. So, if you have created a database in this terminal itself, so in each terminal you have to create a database. If you create database in each terminal, so the administration job becomes very difficult. And might be if you forget to upload the face of any person in any machine, and if that machine is placed in any gate, so that employee will not able to enter from that gate because his database is not stored on that machine. From other gate might be he can access because he has database on other machines, but if there is no face on any database on machine, so he will not be access to the premises. So what can be done? There will be different machine, 1, 2, 3, 4. All machine will be connected to the switch. So multiple gates, different we have placed these machines, this standalone units. All these units will be connected to the switch because this terminal has Ethernet port. Now this with the switch we will connect a PC, a server, in which we will load a software. This software we will give free of cost, and by this software you can manage, you can do live view, you can record, you can get a notification, abnormal temperature notification, you will get time and attendance, everything you will get within this software. If you want to go with the embedded solution with a higher capacity, then we have the solution of embedded server. This is bigger server, big one. This is small server. So we have embedded server also, the big size and small size. And we have the software solution as well. So you can create face database centralized in a centralized location. So no need to create database in each and every machine. You have to create a database on this centralized machine. If you have selected this, so you have to create database here. If you have selected this, then here. If this, then you have to create database here. So now from any of gate, if an employee enters to the premises, the authentication will be done from the control room. So from the control room, once the database get matched, so this unit will unlock the door. So this way we can have a big setup also. So the first solution can be given for a single to a large scale of installation. So that was about the first solution. Now we will talk about the second solution. In the second solution, we are giving this a standalone system. This is again a standalone system in which we are giving a camera with a display unit, with a measurement sensor, with a NVR, with a bracket. So multiple components which combined and gives a integrated solution. Now, the first one was for the face recognition. The second one is for face capture, means face detection. So many places are there in which we don't need face recognition. We just want to measure the temperature of a person in a public place. Like if you talk about big bazaar or any cinema, cineplex, or any big what you call supermarkets, those kind of places where people generally comes with a moderate traffic, not so much huge traffic, moderate, or small railway stations where there less number of people are there. Why I'm talking about these applications? Because these are the small application who has less budget also. So there we can easily pitch this product, and this product will be very helpful those kind of locations. So now again come to the topic. So this product we can give at those kind of places where we have the moderate flow and we don't require face recognition, which we will just get a face capture with the temperature information. So whenever any person will come, it will stand in a specific area. The camera will capture the snapshot, and the measurement temperature sensor will measure the temperature of the person, and it will pass it to camera, and further camera will pass it to NVR. Now NVR will overlay the person face with the temperature, and if that temperature is abnormal, so it will give a voice notification for that. So this can be used as a standalone. Now let's consider an example of a railway station where there is one gate, and in that gate, the flow is quite high. So if the flow is high and you are giving a single unit, then there will be a problem. There will be a long queue, because one by one, every person has to pass through this device. So uh, we can place more than one. We can place in one gate, we can place 3 or 4, so that the flow can be very smooth. So that way, in that way, we can place 3 to 4 this kind of standalone device. And further, these standalone device can be connected to a router or a Wi-Fi router. So by this, we can make this as a Wi-Fi zone. And further, it will be connected to a smartphone. And in a smartphone, we will get abnormal temperature alerts. So in a railway station, if you have given this, so the railway station, who is the headmaster of the railway station, he will be having a smartphone with the app. If in any gate, if he finds any abnormal temperature, the device find any abnormal temperature, instantly on a smartphone, we will get a notification. However, in this, we have a CMS software. We have a CMS software, but in that CMS software, you can only do live view. You will not get alarm notification. You will only get live view, not alarm notification. So from in app, you will get a alarm notification as well. I hope you understand about this product. Now let's move further. So this is the face recognition again. This is face capturing solution. Now let's understand more about this product in further slides. At first, I'll talk about the applications of this product. The first one is a face recognition terminal with no the temperature screening system with a face recognition. This one. So this can be very useful for the factories, school, office, government office, hotels, banks. So any place where you have a good number of employees, there you can give this device. Why? Because this device has a face recognition. So face recognition will make very easy to identify, to recognize any personnel. So in this, we have a face recognition, as well as the time and attendance can be marked on the base of the face recognition system. And together with that, the main important thing is it will measure the temperature of each and every employee. It also have alarm input, alarm output. It has lock system. EL lock can be connected with this, and that EL lock can be authenticated from the password, from the face, from the QR code. So there are many ways. And if any guest comes in your premises, like there is a factory, in the factory there is 1,000 employees. No, so it will authenticate all those 1,000 employees. So it is not like that always. Uh, it is only for the employees. So if any random person comes, if any guest comes, so he will also place a wrist on near to the measurement sensor. So the measurement sensor will measure the temperature, and in the face recognition terminal, it will capture the face. It will not recognize, but it will capture the face. It will capture the face. It will overlay the temperature information, and it will store it on the face terminal machine. And if the database is there, so it will match the face and it will give the identity of that person. And it will also detect the person with the mask, without the mask. It will recognize the person with the mask, without the mask. And if any person is without mask, it will give the alert also. So that's why I'm telling this solution is very, very useful for the small, medium, and large scale offices, government offices, banks, hotels, or means no these kind of application where no this time and attendance purpose can be solved, and temperature measurement is a major important role which can be solved, and it can also have the authentication authorization whether he should access the door or not. So those kind of thing will be very easy with this product. So this will be very helpful for these all applications. Now let's understand the applications of this temperature screening solution with face capture. So this face capture solution is very useful for the places where you have a moderate flow of people, like small factories, university campus, supermarkets, malls, restaurants, cinemas. So these are the places where you have the moderate flow. I have also considered small factories and universities because some of the people now says that okay, I don't need a face recognition. I just need a face capture with a no cost effective solution. So there we can give this solution. This solution will capture the face and it will overlay the information of the temperature of any person. So it is very helpful for the supermarkets like Big Bazaar, or you can say Domino's, Pizza Hut, those kind of retail stores and are there, malls, restaurants, cinemas. So those places you can give this solution. Very cost effective solution it is. Now, I hope you have understood the previous range of CP Plus in a thermal. In thermal also we have some of the products. So here I have just segregated the market. Which market you have to target for these all products? The first one is a thermometer gun. Thermometer gun is an entry level product which can be given to the consumer as well. For the small shops, for the survey purpose also we can give this product, because this is very cost effective. Nowadays you have seen every home, every family, no they just procure this blood pressure machine, now small testing machine they procure themselves, so anytime they can do testing by sitting at home, also home itself. So the same way we can give this thermometer gun to the consumer as well, because the price is very minimal. The second one is a temperature screening solution with face capture. So this, as I already told you, with a moderate flow of public at those kind of places like small factories, malls, there we can place this product. And the third one is face recognition terminal. This is temperature screening solution with face recognition. This solution is basically for the enterprise, for the small, mid, and large offices, government offices, school, banks, restaurant, etc. And the last one is a thermal camera with a dual lens. So this thermal camera has 5 meter detection range for the temperature, and it can measure the temperature of 30% at a time. So this is quite high. So the areas where we have no huge traffic like railway station, airport, or bus station, there we can give this solution, and it will be very helpful for those kind of location where we have the good number of people. So this is how we have divided the market, where you have to pitch this product, you can target the product. Now let's understand the product in a broad, in a detailed way. So at first, I will talk about the this face recognition temperature screening system. So this face recognition temperature screening system, in this we have accurate temperature measurement. The first thing is accurate temperature measurement. So this is very important, because in the market, if you'll go, somebody says 0.5, somebody says 1 degree Celsius, that is temperature accuracy. Whereas in our temperature measurement system, 0.1 degree Celsius is the accuracy. Face recognition with temperature metadata, as I already told you, whenever any person will come, his face will be captured and it will be recognized if the face is there in the database. And the information of the temperature will be overlay with the face face information. And the size is small, and it's a high reliability, and it has a high efficiency. 20 to 30 people per minute can be the temperature can be measured of 20 to 30 people. Mask not wearing detection. If somebody has not wear the mask, so it will detect that and give you alarm notification for that. Lock support for access control, as I already told you, we can connect a lock with this, and no, by face, by password, by QR code, we can open the lock. So these all are the features for the face recognition temperature screening solution. Now the components, I will talk a little bit about the product also. So this solution you will get like this. The complete solution is come like this. This is the complete. This is a complete solution. Now this solution has different components. The first is this one. This is face recognition terminal. So this face recognition terminal will do face recognition. It has 2 megapixel camera. Here is the camera, and it also has the light for the night vision. At the night time also you can have face recognized. This face recognition terminal has Ethernet port. It has alarm input output port. It has VGAN port. It has RS485 port. So it has no multi-purpose kind of integrated kind of product which can be integrated to other application as well. The second product, the second component is this one, the small one. This is wrist temperature measurement sensor. So whenever any person will come in front of this device or this solution system, he has to place his wrist in front of the temperature measurement sensor. The distance will be 3 centimeter. So the temperature measurement sensor will measure the temperature and it will pass to the face terminal, and the face terminal will recognize the face and it will overlay the information of the temperature. And the last one is the adjustable floor mount stand. So this stand is also there, which is optional. So it is not necessary to buy, but we recommend from our side, but it is not necessary. I'll tell you the installation ways as well. So there are 2 ways of installation. Okay, you can install in a 2 ways. The first one is a wall mount installation. I was telling you no need to buy stand. If you are not buying stand, so you have to mount this on wall or you have to customize stand by yourself. So wall mount stand, you have to place this face recognition terminal on the wall with the temperature sensor. Okay, so this will be, for this you have to very most important thing is like you have to see the power source should be there, the installation should be correct, everything should be correct to recognize the face. The other method is a floor mount installation in which we give a bracket with face terminal and sensor. So it is designed in a way you can adjust the height and you can place it like this. See, you have already seen the kiosk in the malls, in the airports. The same way kiosk will be there. The person will come, he will put wrist in front of the measurement sensor and the temperature will get measured. So these are the 2 ways of installations. Now let's move further. So this temperature, face recognition terminal, this is a face recognition terminal. So this temperature measurement sensor will be connected to this with RS485. So this temperature measurement sensor is a built-in infrared thermoelectric sensor. The accuracy is quite good, 0.1 degree Celsius, and the temperature range is 30 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. That means between this, if the temperature is there of any person, it will give you alarm, means temperature results for that. Okay, 30 to 45 degree. So measurement distance I already told, 3 centimeter. Suggested height for face recognition is 0.8 meter to 2.2 meter. The height for face recognition. And face recognition distance, the distance of the person from the machine, from the terminal, will be 0.2 meter to 2.9 meter. Okay. Now high performance, the performance is quite high. So the face recognition terminal accuracy, if I talk about, there is 99% without a mask. That's quite high. 99% without a mask and 90% with a mask. That is accuracy, and it is quite good accuracy. And up to 1,000 faces you can upload on the face recognition terminal. That means the database can be local. As I previously I told you that database can be local as well as centralized as well. So if the database is local, so the face will be 10,000 in per face recognition terminal. And the picture quality will be high because it has 2 megapixel camera, and the speed of recognizing the face is 0.2 seconds. That's a quite good speed. And if I talk about the temperature measurement, it is 30 to 45 degrees Celsius, and 0.1 degrees Celsius is accuracy to, and 1 centimeter to 3 centimeter is a measurement distance. Let's talk about the features. At first, I have just highlighted the main feature. However, it has many good other features also. The first one is real-time temperature detection and screen display. So whenever any person will come, so it will give a real-time temperature detection with the face information. Support face recognition with mask. As I already told you, it will support the face with mask or without mask. A snapshot and overlay temperature OSD information that I already told you. There is a privacy mode. That means it will only measure wrist temperature, not capture face image. So in some of the sensitive area, people don't want to allow to capture the face. So there you can just have a wrist temperature measurement. And by that only you can give an alarm if there is an abnormal temperature. UI can indicate whether she is wearing a mask or not. Voice alarm for abnormal temperature and those who do not wear a mask. So there will be a voice notification whenever there will be abnormal temperature or anybody has not wear the mask. Now, if I talk about this software part, so this I already told you can be given as a standalone solution. If you give as a standalone solution, so we will give you a free software tool to configure this. If you want to do a batch import of photos, or you want to search library, or you want to collect photo, delete photos, so those all things can be done with this software. The software is this one. This is the GUI of the software. And this software function batch face image import, library management, face image collection, add information for personal. So this is no advantages of this software. So this software is just to configure one time or anytime whenever you want to configure this face recognition terminal, you can configure with this software. So this software is a free software and can be used for a standalone system, or if you have multiple system, that also it can also work for that. Now, the other is VMS for the large scale installation. If you have given this uh, this standalone system for a big premises where you have given number of devices, so for that we can give this VMS software. This VMS software is quite good because it will give you a time and attendance report. It will give you uh, alert notification for abnormal temperature, or if anybody has not wear the mask, for that also you will get the notification. You can import export the reports. You can get the live view. So many advantages are there with this software. So for the large scale installation we can have this software. So now I'm showing you the video how this system will work. You can see the video. The person, so whenever the person will come, he will stand in front of the device and it will give you the voice prompt, and it will ask you pass. If anybody is with abnormal temperature, it will give a notification quickly. Now let's move up to another product. So this is the another product we have. It's a temperature screening solution with a face recognition. It has a high accuracy of measuring the temperature. Because the same measurement sensor is here also. It will give an instant notification for abnormal temperature. If anytime there is an abnormal temperature, or any person has not wear the mask, it will give you a notification for that. Supports real-time snapshot of human face with temperature measurement.
हेलो
So whenever any person
जोशी
will,
जी आवाज चली गई थी, जरा
yes,
थोड़ा सा ये वाली लाइन में दोबारा कर दीजिए प्लीज.
sorry sir, which line?
दिस लाइन, द प्रीवियस लाइन में ना आपका कुछ डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी आवाज.
Okay. So instant notification support real-time snapshot of human face with temperature measurement. That means whenever any person will come, it will capture the face, and together with the face, it will show the temperature information, and it will show whether it is a normal or abnormal. Then support the real-time statistics of the number of normal and abnormal body temperature. I'll say this also support people counting. People counting, why? Because at the end of the day, or at the weekend, or at the monthly, if you want a monthly report, you can see how many people till date come with the abnormal temperature and with the normal temperature. So that is a total counter. So this will give you an idea also that how many people comes into your premises. So it has a people counting kind of feature also. Then it has also mask detection. I already told you. Smart search. Later on, if you want to search faces of those persons with the abnormal temperature, you can do the face search also. Support temperature, and you can have different reports as well. Now let's understand the components of this solution. So there are majorly 5 components in the solution. The first one is a camera. This one is a camera. It will be placed at the top of this bracket. So this camera is a face detection camera. This camera is a face detection camera. Then there will be another, this screen. This is the screen. So this is a display module where you will get the live view of NVR. So later on we will see what we will get at the live view. Then temperature measurement module. So this is the sensor. This is the sensor for wrist temperature measurement. This wrist temperature measurement will be connected to the camera, to RS485. So this camera will give power to this wrist temperature sensor, and it will take the detail of temperature from this sensor. So the camera will do that. And at the end, we have the recording module, that is NVR. So this NVR will connect to the camera. So NVR will give power to the camera, camera will give power to the sensor. Sensor will give temperature to the camera, camera will capture the face of the person, and it will overlay the temperature information on the face, and it will pass it to NVR. Now NVR will see whether that temperature is abnormal or normal. If it's abnormal, it will give a notification for that. Let's talk about one by one these components. So this is a 2 megapixel camera. It's a night vision camera with a flashlight, IR light. So snapshot of human face with mask, it can do. Collect and overlay temperature information and voice broadcast. Anytime if you want to do a voice broadcast, that can also be done. The other device is NVR, which is a recorder. So it will do a live view. It will give you an abnormal temperature alert on a smartphone also. Face with temperature metadata. That means it will capture the face and overlay the information of temperature on it. Smart search. Later on, if you want to search the recording, you can do smart search. Recording can be done, different reports can be retrieved. So this NVR is basically, I'll say this NVR will support only one camera. Keep in mind, only one camera this NVR will support. However, in this NVR, you will get 4 PoE port, but this will support only one camera. Why? Because for this NVR, we have designed a high algorithm, intelligent algorithm. For this NVR, we have designed an intelligent algorithm, and we upload that algorithm on this NVR. And that algorithm needs little bit more processing power. For that, it can support only one camera. It cannot support more than one camera. Okay. So this is the live view from the NVR. So if you will connect the NVR with the screen, you will get this kind of live screen. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This custom grid you will get. Now I'll talk what you will get in these different grids, what information you will get. The first one, the bigger one, this one is the bigger one. In this, you will get a live screen of a camera, live screen. In second, this one, you will get temperature information with the face of the person, the time of the person, the status of the person, whether he is normal or he is abnormal. And the third, this channel, in this you will get count for today, means how many people came today. 12 people with abnormal temperature, 863 people with a normal temperature, the total people 875. So that's why I was telling this system is a people counting also. Now below you can see 4, 5, 6. These are for advertisement. Advertisement. So right now what we are advertising here, we are advertising in first, this is an image. Fourth number will be image, fifth number will be image. In sixth, you can play a video. Now in fourth, we have shown that stand in a specific area. Stand inside a specific area. So that means we are guiding person who is coming to measure his temperature. We are asking that stand in a specific area. So no need to go and ask him, okay, you have to stand there. From the display screen, he will get an information that he has to stand in this area. Then put your wrist close to the device, range 1 to 3 centimeter. Now again he will see, okay, the next instruction is to put the wrist close to the temperature measurement device, and the distance will be 1 to 3 centimeter. So this is also image. In sixth, there will be a video tutorial in which a video will keep on running on in loop. Okay, on loop it will keep on running. So this can be, right now we are just given a instruction kind of uh, image and a tutorial. Later on, if your purpose gets solved, each and every employee or the person is much aware how to measure the temperature, then you can play your company advertisement or company instructions for the employees, or company any corporate profile video you want to play. So those can be done, that thing can be done. So that's why I was saying advertising screen. Then there will be a LED screen. This LED screen will be an industrial grade LED screen, 24 into 7. It's a full HD screen, and it's a very user friendly, and it's a high performance LED screen. Then again, this sensor 0.1 degree Celsius is the accuracy, and it's a quite better to go with this, because I'll tell you one advantage of this wrist temperature sensor. You have seen, no, nowadays the summer is coming. Most of our states are very quite hot states. So if any person is coming from outside, so already his forehead is too hot. So if we give a thermal camera or any camera which is detecting the heat of the forehead, so before once he come to the premises, we don't recommend to measure the temperature instantly. At first, ask that guy to sit for 5 minutes to cool down, then you measure the temperature with those kind of sensor. But if you go with this wrist temperature sensor, you can see at the summertime also, or in the normal days also, our wrist temperature always maintain the same. It is not like that if I'm roaming at the outside, my wrist temperature will be high. However, my forehead or my head temperature will be higher because I'm standing at the uh, hot sun. So but my wrist temperature will not be that much exposed to the sun, and it will not be that much hot. So if any person comes to the premises, he can instantly measure his temperature, and the accuracy will be quite good, quite high. So that is the advantage of wrist temperature measurement in respect to the forehead measurement. So again, here we have an example like stand inside a specific area, then put wrist close to the device, and then if the camera will capture the face, and if the temperature will be abnormal, there will be a beep sound, and there will be a voice notification. And if the temperature is normal, so it will just pass that guy. So we also provide a mobile app. In mobile app, you will get the receive the abnormal temperature information and with a face. Now I will show you the video how this system works. You can see the video now. So if the temperature is normal, he will be allowed. If abnormal, we can ask him to go for further inspection. So this is how this system works. So this was all about these two products today. So I hope you like these products. So if you have any
Thank you,
queries,
Roshit. There are a lot of
we'd like to
questions here.
answer those queries.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
please. I'm taking one question from Praveen. In face capturing application, how it will map the temperature with corresponding person? And can we get live view in mobile client application? Which same we can view in the monitor also?
So see, there are 3, 4, 5 questions. I don't know how many questions. I will give answer one by
Three
one.
questions are together, I
Yeah.
think.
So the first question, no, was the phase, how it will be measured with the temperature, something
Yes,
like that.
yes.
So see, whenever any person will come, okay, whether the phase database there in the phase terminal or not, his face will be captured. At the same time, the temperature information, because he will place his wrist in front of the temperature measurement sensor. So whatever the temperature will be detected by the sensor, it will pass it to face recognition terminal, and the face recognition terminal will overlay that information on the face. And at the same time, if the face will be detected from the database, it will give the information that this person is Rajiv Joshi, and his temperature is this much. And if the face is not in the database, so it will just show the face of the person and the temperature information. There will be no personal information of that person. There will be no name of that person, because he will be as a guest.
Okay, unknown person. Okay, so one question which is related to mask, because there are multiple type of mask available. So how you will say about the accuracy of the system if
So see,
they are wearing the mask?
generally, as you know, our face recognition is based on AI. So it just no gather the information of the face, some points that collect the metadata of the face. And if somebody has wear the mask, okay, so the mask is not like that. He is completely hided his face from the mask. It will not work like that. The mask, like no, we are wearing nowadays, from nose to our chin, this much mask. If the mask is this much of size, you will get the accuracy result of 90%. And from the eyes, from the forehead, from the nose, it will identify the person. It will give you the best accuracy of that.
Okay. And one thing in IP camera solution, can we use any another kind of IP camera? Is possible?
No, because that that's why I was telling you that is an integrated solution. There is a special firmware was designed for that IP camera, and a special firmware was designed for the NVR as well.
Okay. And what minimum or maximum distance you will suggest for the object to detect the count temperature?
So 1 to 3 centimeter, because see, detecting the face and recognizing, detecting the temperature, both are different here. Face detection or face capturing is done by the camera, and the temperature measurement is done by the wrist temperature measurement sensor. Now the person is coming in front of the device of that system. The camera is capturing the face, and the person is placing the wrist in front of the measurement sensor. And now measurement sensor is collecting the information of the temperature of that person. Now both of this get integrated at the face recognition terminal or the NVR side, and the information get overlay at the screen.
Okay. And one question in second solution, can we connect with the smart LED Android based LED?
Second solution, see, you can connect, because we are normally using a LED with the HDMI output. So you can use any LED with which has HDMI input. So you can connect to this NVR with any LED. It is not recommended to buy from us. If you have already LED with you, you can go with that also.
Can we use at the entry point of the building because environment is different, little
See,
bit
as
different?
I already told, I think I have forgot to talk about that. The temperature should be, it should not be at the outside. So there is nobody has that system to measure the temperature outside. There should be a inside no inside indoor conditions, and the temperature should be 40 to 45-degree maximum, not beyond that. And there should be no wind. If there will be a wind, your temperature result will get vary.
Okay. Now the concern, if you are saying that this is a FR solution where we can connect the lock also, EM lock also. So if the database is there for a person and might be he is having some temperature or some fever, because of that the temperature is high. So what
Hmm.
would be happen when he will come in front of the system? The gate will open, or because of the temperature the gate will not open. Although the person is recognized, face is
Yes,
recognized.
he is recognized, but there will be a condition for that. No, if abnormal temperatures are not allowed, so it will not be allowed.
Okay, so the gate will not open.
Yes,
Okay. So we can connect any kind of solution, our CP plus system also.
I didn't get you. C plus system means
Any third party integration is possible
with what?
with
What kind of
this
integration you are talking
FR
about?
solution, with FR solution.
So this is a complete integrated solution we are giving. We have our own face recognition terminal. We have that measurement sensor. Okay. So it is not like that. So if you are saying that other face recognition, so that is a totally different solution you are talking about, no?
Okay.
So
And
it's a standalone. It will. Hmm.
one person is asking for with or without helmet also. Is it possible to detect
No,
it?
not possible.
Not possible.
See,
And
face recognition, detecting the temperature can be done because it is happening from the wrist. If the person will come, his face will capture whether it is with helmet or without helmet. Doesn't matter. His face will capture and his temperature information will get overlay. But it will not give you an alert that he has wear the helmet or not.
Saranayan PN is asking that what are the certificates done for this product? Any certificate is required for this product?
See, the mandatory certificate which is required that we already have. We already have.
Okay. So no any additional certificate is required. So no any government certificate or BIS any kind of certificate.
So BI is already required, no, because
So it has BIS.
yes.
Okay. Uh, can we view the data in a smartphone like temperature and all the details in the smartphone with the application?
I already told that in a smartphone we can get the voice and sorry, abnormal temperature detection, mass detection, those kind of alert we can get.
Okay. So I think most of these questions are same and already we have replied. So I would request to everyone, if you have any particular question, you can ask to your pre-sales and post-sales pre-sales team also, or you can also contact to us, or we would answer your question separately also. So thanks for this session. Tomorrow we have again this session. Tomorrow you can join here, or your friend or your colleague, if they want to join, you can join here. So thank you, Rajiv ji.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Rajesh ji. Thank you, Opi sir. Thank you, Vipin bhai. Thanks to everyone, and I hope please stay